Good morning and welcome to MuscleCar Garage. Today we're featuring a 1969 Corvette. This car was purchased by a dealer, but originally sold at an auction. They advertised it as a 427 tri-power with factory air, power steering, power brakes. Customer received the car. It was far from being a 427. They happened to put a truck motor in there. It was a 454 truck motor from 1974. So he decided that he wanted a 427, he wanted it done right. So as you can see, we pulled the engine on it. The engine is sitting on the crate there. We also pulled the transmission on this car. So what we're gonna do to it now is we're gonna put a modern crate 427 high performance engine from GM Performance, and we're gonna hook that up to a 5-speed Tremec transmission. Let me show you the engine. This is a beautiful 427, 480 horsepower crate engine shipped to us by GM Performance. What we're going to do to this engine here, we're going to put an electronic fuel pump on it. It's a FiTech fuel pump and FiTech fuel injection unit. Once this car is done, we're going to do another video to show you what we actually did to the car. So if you need any work done, call us at 973-758-8944. We're located at 7 Industrial Parkway in Livingston, New Jersey. You have a nice day.